here at the Blizzard stand, checking out their new 0G range of skis. Available in 108, 95, 85 and a women's specific 85mm width, this ski is a super lightweight tourer that is ultimately about making the ski down as enjoyable as it would be on a dedicated downhill ski. Blizzard are attempting to make this miracle happen with a new carbon construction method called Carbon Drive. Carbon Drive is a three-dimensional carbon construction which surrounds a lightweight wooden core with Blizzard's favoured sidewall construction. This makes for a ski which is lively and snappy for confidence-inspiring turns in a package that weighs a lot less than a traditional ski. After other brands have stated that their touring skis have to be mounted by hand, it's nice to see Blizzard taking binding retention seriously, with these skis testing highest in their class.